If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Time reports let you see information about the time data in QuickBooks Online. Like all standard reports, you can customize these reports. You can also print, email, or export them. To view the time reports in QuickBooks Online, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. Then click the Standard Reports tab in the page to the right. To search for time reports, click into the Type Report Name Here field and type the search term time. Then select the name of the desired report from the drop-down menu of report choices that appears. Alternatively, you can find the first two reports under either the Employees or Payroll report categories when you scroll down the Standard Reports page. They are the Time Activities by Employee Detail and the Recent/Edited Time Activities reports. The Time Activities by Employee Detail report shows the time activities entered for each employee and includes the activity's rate and the duration. The Recent/Edited Time Activities report shows the 25 time activities most recently entered or edited within the company file in the last 30 days. The final two reports are the Time Activities by Customer Detail and the Unbilled Time reports. They appear, respectively, within the Sales and Customers and Who Owes You report categories on the Standard Reports page. The Time Activities by Customer Detail report shows each customer and the time activities for that customer. The description of the time activity, its rate, and duration all appear in the report. The Unbilled Time report shows all billable time activities not billed to a customer. It breaks down the unbilled time per customer. It contains the activity's description, rate, duration, and amount. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.